Ever end up changing the belt on a front wheel drive car and really freshening up on all those curse words in your vocabulary? Yep. Well, hey, I learned a little trick on this particular vehicle that made it really simple. The belt that I removed had, I don't know, 6 or 7 years and 80,000 miles. Just the age. It doesn't really have any dry rotting in there, but if you kind of scratch up against it with your fingernail and then do that with a new one, you can tell it is pretty dry versus the new one. And then this outside edge is starting to show some wear and some lines going through there. So it's definitely time to do this. The belts on these front wheel drive engines are pretty hard to change. You can get to the alternator there, but down below is a reach, and then back here, I don't know if you can see anything there. Back there, it's really hard to get to that portion of the belt. What I found on this particular model, all I had to do was remove the air box down there. That gave me all the access that I needed. It's still not the easiest job in the world. This little technique I have might work on different models, but it sure did the trick for me to slip the belt right on. For you guys trying to put a belt on a 2.4 liter, man, this little system I just rigged up works great. If you hook a strap to the corner of the hood, be careful, put some good cloth on there, and then you hook the other end of the strap to the ratchet on the tensioner. It holds it, you get it to its end point, and then you can just put the belt on the bottom and then around the tensioner, and then the very last piece you do that alternator. And with it being the tension, all of it being taken off without me having to hold it, it just flopped right on there very easily. Before you start the car and drive it, make sure you get all those ribs lined up and centered on each of the pulleys.